Meaning of discotheque.
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 Discotheque. A discotheque is a nightclub that typically plays recorded music for dancing. The word discotheque is of French origin and translates to record library in English. These venues became popular in the 1960s and 1970s during the disco era. With flashing lights, loud music, and a dance floor, discotheques were the go-to places for young people to socialize and let loose. Today, while the popularity of disco has waned, discotheques still exist as nightclubs playing a variety of music genres for people to dance and enjoy the nightlife.